Hey everybody, welcome back to Telling Time. Today I've got an unboxing of an Orient Bambino. I am really excited about it. Taking a look at this packaging, looks kind of nice for a $120 watch. Printed logo on the front. And let's get into it, I guess. Now, I purchased this from Amazon for around $120, I think, so it could be a very good buy. I like the box. It's it's interesting. It's not high end by any means, but it's a nice touch. It's got some metal on there. Taking a look inside, still in the packaging. I have not let you guys down. I was patient. I waited for the camera to get this thing out, I promise. So let's get it out of there. Underneath the little pillow, we've got a warranty card. I believe Orient's warranty is 1 year. Manual, which I guess I should have read because I almost changed the date during the date change window like an idiot. Comes in plastic wrap, nothing exciting. A little cardboard strap to help protect the strap. That's kind of nice. It actually has a hang tag, believe it or not. I'm a little impressed to see a hang tag on there. I did not see that coming. No sticker on the mineral crystal, which I think is a bold move. It's not really very sturdy. I'd probably stuck a sticker on there. But right off the bat, I am floored with this watch, you guys. This is just beautiful. I cannot believe that Orient will sell you this for $120. See if I can't get this sticker off. It is apparently beyond my level of intelligence to figure out how to remove that. And there we go. I got it. Clap, clap, clap. Anyways, nice suede strap, kind of two-tone with a little extra bit of, it's probably rubber to be honest on the sides, but that's not all bad. It'll wear better. Got a sticker on the back here. That looks very nice to peel off, if I can get my fingers on it. You can do it. I know you can do it. Come on. There we go. This is going to be a good one, guys. Check it out. Look at that high polish 316L stainless steel in the back. Oh, baby. Look at that. That is a shiny watch right there, guys. Again, $120. I cannot believe that you can buy something with that kind of case finishing for $120. It's kind of mind-blowing. Got a couple little things going on in the case back there. We could talk about that a little later, though. Let me just get my scissors out here. And, despite what it looks like, I did go to the 3rd grade. I do know how to use scissors, but can't seem to. There we go. Both hands, idiot. I'll get there eventually. Bingo. Hang tag removed. All right, let's take a look at this baby. Come on, camera, focus. Get you some winding action, guys. Listen to that thing go. That is a loud mechanical wind. That's pretty loud. Not going to lie. Had some trouble with the camera focusing. Please apologize for the rough transition there. But more winding action. As you can hear, it's loud. It's loud. There's really no other way around it other than it's loud. Coming out to the first detent, you're going to set your date with a counterclockwise wind, pulling all the way out. Clockwise runs the clock back, counterclockwise goes forward. And guess what, guys? I'm going to set it to 10:10 like a professional. Go ahead, like and subscribe for that one. Another little audio clip of the hand winding there for you. It sounds nice, but just loud, very loud. Case thickness looks very slender. I mean, almost, I would say at least 20% of that thickness was from the domed mineral crystal. And that sunburst is absolutely phenomenal. Got my calipers here for you guys. Let's see if I can't get this 41.9. Awesome. We were looking for 42. And lug to lug is going to be 50. I'd probably take about a mil, maybe a mil and a half off for the leather strap. So somewhere in the mid 48s. And thickness, I'm showing 11.2, which is a pretty big difference from their website, which is listed as 11.8 for the Bambino version 4. But on wrist, it wears pretty darn well, if I do say so myself. I have a 7¼ inch wrist, and this is a 42 millimeter watch, but you got to take into account that the bezel is only about 3 mils thick, so you're basically all dial, which makes a watch wear a lot bigger. So this thing has got some serious presence on wrist, but I like it. You know, I'm not usually a fan for big dress watches, but I think the gray subtle dial really does this for me, and the domed mineral crystal gives it, you know, a lot of warmth that you don't really see in other things. But awesome watch, guys. Looking forward to doing a full review on it later on. If you guys like this content and want to see more, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.